Hey guys, what's up? Of course, you know it's your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I thank you for coming back for yet another instructional video. If you are someone you know that is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in dancing along to this dance, watch till the end and I'll put the demo right here in the corner, okay? Also, Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself personally invite you to a 4-day line dance weekend. That's right, here in New Orleans. It's the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please go to our website for detailed information. Registration is open right now and you can book your room right now. www.LMIUNOLA.com, and I'll see you there. So are you ready, guys? Let's go. So this dance I'm going to teach you is called Sexy Love. It is the dance structure of this dance. The structure of this dance is a 4-wall dance moving clockwise, 4 parts, no changes. And the intro is 16 counts. Let's go. So we're going to start. I haven't taught from this wall in a minute. It's going to be on the side of here or this side or that side. But this time, my back is going to be turned to you, okay? So we're going to start with a bounce. It's going to start on the left, bouncing back on the left. Bounce, 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 bounce. So it's left, left, right, right. Then we're going to cross it over. Left, right, left, tap. And we tap it on the right so we can do the same thing on the right that we just did on the left. Let's do that again. Bounce it back on the left. Bounce, 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 cross, left, left, tap. Bounce, right, left, cross, right, left, left. Okay? Let's do that again from the top. 5, 6, 7, bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 5, and 6, 7, tap, 8, bounce, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 8 is going to be on your left. We good? Now, we're getting ready to make a quarter turn to our left. So we're going to rock back, recover. Rock back, recover. Rock back, recover, scuff, down. Okay? So that was right, left, right. So as I'm turning, I'm brushing with my right leg and then I come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I come down. Okay? So it's a rock, recover, brush, down. Rock, recover, brush, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. So we rock back. 1, 2, brush, 3, and 4. So the last step is on our right. We're going to do a sailor step on the left and a sailor step on the right. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Let's go ahead and tap around with the left, coming forward, half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, ending up with a sailor step. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So let's put that together. So what we did was rock, recover, brush, down. Sailor on the left, sailor on the right. My weight is on my right. I tap around with my left shoulder coming forward. Paddle around. 1, 2, 3, 4. My weight goes to my left. I'm going to do a sailor on the right and a sailor on the left. Okay? Now, let's go back to the top. So far, I bounced. Coming back on the left, I cross, I bounce, I rock, recover, scuff, down, sailor left, sailor right, I paddle around, half turn for 4, and sail on the right and sail on the left. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, bounce it back. 1, 2, up, 4, sail a 5 and 6, 7 and cut it half. 1, 2, 3, 4, sail a 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's do it again. Okay, just do it until you're comfortable with the steps. Okay, 5, 6, 7, bounce it back. 1, 2, up 3, 4, cross 5 and 6, 7, tap 8. It's 1, 2, up 3, 4, cross 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, scuff 3, 4, left 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Half 1, 2, 3, 4. Sail a 5 and 6, 7 and 8. I know you got it. So from here we're gonna roll back. Roll back on the right, roll together, roll back on the left, roll together. Okay? 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2 together, 3, 4, left 5, 6 together, 7, 8. Real simple, right? Back on the right, roll, feet together, that left comes back on the left, roll, right together. Okay? Now, the next step, we're gonna shuffle up. Shuffle right, left, right, hold. So, roll 1, 2, so, right, left, right, and my left heel is up. So shuffle up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then we're going to shuffle back. So we hold 3 and 4. Shuffle up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, close to 7 and 8. So I shuffle back. So I shuffle up. 1 and 2, hold 3 and 4. Shuffle back on the left. 5 and 6. Left, right, left. Right coaster step. Coaster step. Okay? Now, I would say that's the only thing to this dance is that coaster step. That coaster step. Right, left, right. You come back on the right, you come up on that right. Make sure that right is up. Right, left, right. So it's not right, left, right. My feet are not together. I come back, coaster step. So I step forward on that right, okay? So what did I do? I shuffle up. 1 and 2, hold 3 and 4. Shuffle back. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Coaster step on the right. Yes? I pivot. 1, 2. So when I did a coaster step, I step forward on my left shoulder come forward, half turn. All right, let's do that. Shuffle up. 1 and 2, hold 3 and 4. Back, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So remember, you're shuffling up, you hold, then you're coming back on that left. So you shuffle up on the right, right, left, hold, back, left, right, left, right. Step, pivot, half. From here, we're going to rock up, recover. Rock up, recover, shuffle back. Left, right, left. So I step, pivot, half with my left shoulder coming forward. Step, pivot, half. Rock up on the left. See, my heel is up. Rock up, recover, left, right, left. What I'm going to do again is do that right coaster step. Right coaster step, step, pivot, half again. When I step, pivot, half with my left shoulder coming forward, I'm going to step up on my left, up, left, together, twist, 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 twist. Don't get nervous. I'm going to break it down to you. Okay, so let's take it from the top, okay? With the bounce, right? 5, 6, 7, bounce. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Cross 5 and 6, 7, tap 8. 5, 1 and 2. Up 3 and 4. Cross 5 and 6, 7. Back recover. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left sailor. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Half. 1, 2, 3. Sailor right. 5 and 6. Remember, roll back. 1, 2 together. 3, 4. Left. 5, 6 together. 7. Shuffle up. 1 and 2. Hold 3. Back 4. 5 and 6. Coaster. 7 and 8. Rock. 1, 2, recover, 3, 4, triple, 5, and 6, coast to 7 and 8, pivot, 1, 2, up, 3, together, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm at my new wall. I started here. The dance moved clockwise, and I start over here. Let's go back together. And let's walk through it real slow so you can understand what you're doing. So we're bouncing on the left, we're bouncing on the right. Bounce, 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 you cross and tap. You bounce, 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 you cross, step on the left. We good, right? Now it's time to turn. To our left, a quarter turn. So we rock back, recover, stuff, down. My last step is on the right. So we're not gonna move, we're just gonna reset right here. Doing a sailor left and a sailor right. Now we're gonna paddle around. Paddle, 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 paddle. For 4, which is a sailor right, a sailor left. Okay, we good. Now, what we gonna do? We're gonna roll back right, left, together, roll back left, right, together. Yes, simple enough. Now it's time to shuffle up and hold. Right, left, hold back. Left, right, left, coaster, step. Okay? Now it's time to turn with that left. Step, pivot, half. When you go up, rock up, recover. Rock up, recover, triple. Left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left. Rock up, recover. Rock up on the left, recover. Left, right, left. From here, do that right coaster step again. Coaster step. Step, pivot, half again. With that left, step, pivot, half. Once you do that, go up. Step up, left, right, twist, 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 twist. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the dance. Okay? Regardless if you can remember the steps like that, just understand the process and how we got there, yes? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, then 6, 7, tap 8. Bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Rock back, recover. 1, 2, scuff 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, and 8. Paddle 1, 2, 3, 4. Right 5, then 6, 7. Roll back. 1, 2, together 3, 4. Left 5, 6. Shuffle up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Left 5, then 6, 7 and 8. Pivot 1, 2. Rock 3, 4. Triple 5, then 6, 7 and 8. Pivot 1, 2. Up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. We had our new wall. Start with your bounce. Start with your bounce. Forget the wall. That's just giving you a different view. Same footwork. Sexy love. Did I tell you it was sexy love? Well, I'm telling you now, it's sexy love. Let me know what you think. And I'm expecting a comment from somebody. She know who she is. Let me know what you think, guys. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. I'm telling you, we're going to have a blast. And what I want you to do, if you've never been, I want you to just ask around. Ask those individuals who came to the NOLA Southern experience. It is an experience. You have to experience it on your own. Come check it out, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. The NOLA Southern experience. All the information, everything you want to know is on our website. Registration, the hotel, the itinerary, everything is spelled out. www.LMIUNOLA.com. If you have any questions, let me know. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.